Hello, and welcome to PixElement. We are a small business technology company headquartered in Columbus, Ohio, and we create functional computer vision software that is used in production environments all around the world. PixElement's cutting-edge software has successfully made its mark across diverse industries, from monitoring the weekly progression of expansive construction sites to precisely pinpointing geological fault coordinates in massive quarries. Our technology is at the forefront of innovation. Whether you're measuring stockpile volumes for streamlined inventory tracking or conducting meticulous land surveying, PixElement's advanced algorithms seamlessly convert various imagery sources into high-fidelity 3D environments. Beyond these industries, PixElement stands as an open and versatile solution, ready to venture and be used in new sectors. Our commitment to adaptability means we can cater to a spectrum of applications, from environmental research for conservation and natural disaster surveillance, to real estate development for showcasing properties and plans, to defense industries for mission planning and optimizing intelligence. With centimeter-level accuracy, our software is not confined to specific domains. It thrives in addressing challenges across a multitude of fields. PixElement has championed industries in redefining data analysis and decision-making, paving the way for a streamlined, intelligent, and competitive future. Our commitment to delivering solutions continues to drive advancements across sectors, making PixElement a trusted partner for those seeking innovation in their workflow. Unlock the power of precision, efficiency, and innovation with PixElement, where every pixel shapes a smarter future.